Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing well and keeping safe. So on today's video, I want to show you guys how to do high puff on your short natural hair with bangs. But before that, I want to unbox something with you guys that I bought from online. And as I tell you a story on what happened to me on that day. So stay tuned, watch the video till the end, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Please guys, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. So the first thing that I got is this one. Let me show you guys how it looks. I'm so excited. And by the way, that day during pickup, I was supposed to go to town, pick them up from Du Bois, Accra Trade Center. But for sure, one thing that I know, I'm bad at direction, very bad at direction. So that day I went at Du Bois Street. Yes, I didn't know where Accra was. So I went to Du Bois, asked around. Some people didn't even know where Accra Trade Center was. Some ended up confusing me and getting me lost more and more. But then I decided what? I'm going to go my way and just make a phone call and tell the guys that I don't know where Accra Trade was and for them to come and meet me where I was. It comes with this phone holder, Bluetooth shutter, so you don't have to come to your phone to put play, pause or anything. You just use this Bluetooth shutter. Phone holder for the longer tripod and the ring light. Mini tripod. And then the last one is this one. I know you guys can guess it already what it is. So if you want to get these things, you can go to Instagram at Lenny Ventures and look at which one you will prefer or you'd like and send them a DM and order. Just that simple. So let me show you how this tripod looks. I picked up the things, went to where their stall was and decided to have a look so that when I wanted to order something else another day, I won't get lost and it will be easier for me to get to their stall. So yeah, this is how it looks. It's a 2-meter tripod. And it's pay on delivery, so no need to worry about being conned or anything. Yeah, so it's legit. It's long, guys. I'm so excited on using them. So that's it with the unboxing. Let me take you through the things that we'll be using for the hair very fast.
like that? Are you pressed for time? Put you in my mind. Come a little closer like that. Staying up all night, throwing drinks back. Blue eyes smiling while you're cursing. I admit it's working. You're working. Don't care, you're crazy, it's perfect. Shaky and I'm slurring, 'cause I'm nervous. It's you. It's you. Oh, you. The second I saw you, I'm nervous that it's you. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. I'm nervous that it's you. Now we don't wanna go back. Blurring all the lines, been going from. I know that we both should get back. Been losing my mind, like being lost in your blue eyes. All my plans reversing. You know that it's working. You're working. Don't care, you're crazy, it's perfect. Shaky and I'm slurring, 'cause I'm nervous. It's you. It's you. Oh, you. The second I saw you, I'm nervous that it's you. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. I'm nervous that it's you. I'm just saying, I can't ignore you. I'm not playing. Might mess up and fall for
I'm so excited about this look. Tell me what you think about this look in the comment section below. If it's 10 out of 10 or what do you think? Because for me, it's 10 out of 10, definitely. And you know what? If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the red button below that is written subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell so that each time I post, you'll be the first one to be notified. And comment down below too. Tell me what look I should do next. And thank you for watching the video till the end. See you in the next one. Bye.